Okay, we're at Lily's house. I've taken care of Lily since she was a baby. She's a little pit puppy. And her mom rescued a little GSP, and she's the cutest little GSP ever. She's like 25 pounds. She's tiny. I wonder if she wasn't stunted. Her name is Yazzie. So Yazzie the GSP and Lily the pit. And Buckwheat is so happy. He's like, oh, I love the ladies. I love the ladies. There he goes. Wee. Oh my goodness. How fun. Isn't she hilarious? Look how cute she is. I mean, she's tiny. Wee. Get him, you guys. Get him. Get him, Weeders. Get him. Get him, Lily. Whee! There they go down the hallway. Okay, here he comes. Well, he just nailed me in the chest. Get him, Weeders! Get the girls! Get the girls! Yeah, she's probably a great match for Lily, because she's probably a lot like Buckwheat in many ways. Boy, she's tiny. She's even smaller than Buckwheat, and he's like 40 pounds. Let's go see what they're doing. I think they're probably on the mom's bed. Are we playing on the bed? They're playing on the bed. This is Pet Sitting 101. Whee! This is why Buckwheat pet sits with me every day. He is so good. He's so good with the ladies. Oh, Lily, that's very cute. Are we all looking outside? Where's the squirrelies? Squirrelies! Someone say squirrelies? Squirrelies. Cute. Oh, look how cute she is next to Buckwheat. Aren't you cute, Yazzie? You're very cute. Yeah, you're adorables. Very cute. Good job, Lil.